Calais. Keep it lit.
Pretty bitch music.
Big mama, I'm a shit.
Hey guys, it's your girl Crystal. I'm back with another video. Y'all know what it is. Today is gonna be another install video. Today's here was sent to me by Intuition. Here it's gonna be a 10-inch baddie. She's a blonde one. I am going to dye her purple, well, pinkish purple. I'm not showing you how I'm gonna dye her. You could just revert back to my watercolor video to see how I dye my wigs. They sent me the wig. It is an invisible lace wig. Also, they sent me a wig cap also. So to see how I change into a pink baddie, stay tuned. So this is how it looks after I finished dyeing the wig. I decided not to go with the watercolor method and just do it the old-fashioned way, hence why my head looks a little messy. But she looks very pretty. I did not expect this color. I flat ironed her and I blow dried it, and it looks, yo, that color is popping. That color is popping. You cannot tell me nothing.
The streets, catch me if you can. Last thing I heard against CJ10. Pray to God that he made it on the pen. Like YSN, we running from the van. For the morning, we coming at you, man. So we put a mask like the COVID-19 gang. Morning, you better watch.
So I decided to curl my wig, and I am just prepping her now. I added some rods and some rollers, and I'm gonna let her sit overnight. Okay, so I'm just adding my glue and ready to pop this baby on. So this is how she looks when I just put her on. Isn't she pretty? She is so pretty. I love the color. So this is how she looked when we took the rollers out. So pretty. If you like this video, don't forget to